Okay, hi traders, here's a new video. First of all, a risk warning. Like always, your invested capital may be at risk. Don't trade with money you can't afford to lose, and this video is not an investment advice. So this video is another trade school, highest frequency trading explanation and example video. You know, it's weekend and I do not have the OTC market. I'm a real European trader, and so I have to wait till Monday. And that's the reason why I'm doing this kind of explanation videos and example videos of those trades which I have explained already, or I have done already, not explained, done already, because I'm doing those trades really fast. Do not explain so much when I'm doing this, because not to interrupt my flow, my trading flow. And so I'm doing this kind of discussion videos where I try to explain more in detail why I took those trades and what you have to care about and what you should avoid and why. So, and all those things are based on those things which I have explained in my ebook. So get this ebook, it's for free. You find the link in the description. This ebook contains the most important candlestick pattern, chart pattern, and binary option turbo trading concepts, market condition, trend identification, rejection, and candlestick math, and a lot of more concepts which can be applied to any kind of time frame and any kind of financial instrument. So get this ebook, it's for free. You'll find the link in the description, and in the description you will find also the link to the Facebook group. Join the Facebook group. So okay, let's see if we can gonna do this fast. So we have this kind of trades here. So you see I entered here already into a trade. Let me put this a little bit back so that we can you can see what's happening, and when there is something what it should be important, I will let you know this. We have here this kind of downtrend. Yes, this time we have no ranging market. You see we have a downtrend. This is a trend line, yes, and you can do this parallel line here to this one. That is the trend channel here, yes, and I'm expecting now here, or I would expect that this trend will continue going down. We have here this kind of evening star, yes, and then we get here this kind of hammer, bearish hammer, which shows a trend continuation at this key level here. Yes, so see here we have a lot of, let me show you this, we have here a lot of wicks. Yes, this area here is a strong area, and if this area will be broken, you can expect that price will continue to going down. If you have a candlestick pattern, yes, price action, which is telling you that there would be a trend continuation. That is important, yes, because every kind of support and resistance level is only so good like the trend which goes against it. Yes, you need a trend to break a support and resistance area, and you need pressure. Yes, if there is no pressure, the support and resistance area will hold. Yes, that is the concept. So okay, let me do a play here so we can discuss this as soon as there will be something. So let me do this here. So what's going on? So yes, this candle is showing a rejection from this level 2. Yes, here we are closing below this support level. This is a nice one, like I have explained in my videos about support and resistance. Look at this. I will draw a parallel, a horizontal line from this level, and you see how often this area acted as support, resistance, 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 support, yes, and now we break through this, and that is what I'm telling you always. After this breakout of this support, or break of this support and resistance area, you can expect that this area here on this running candle will act as resistance, and that is what I'm expecting here. Yes, because we have here much more wicks which goes down to this level here. Yes, you see till this level. This is the zone here. Yes, so that's the reason why I entered here immediately into a put, because this is now an upcoming downtrend. But because it's a flat 200 EMA, and I have explained this in so many live trading videos, you have to expect also consolidation areas. Yes, you see here consolidation area, consolidation area, consolidation area. Okay, this is not, but here consolidation area at the 20 EMA, and also here in between we have small consolidation areas, which would be in lower time frame long and ranging market. Yes, on the 5-second chart, this would be here ranging market. Yes. So okay, that what is this about? So let me do play here. What's happened here? Let me see. I think I have done here 1 second. I have to. Okay, so yes, I have done. I was going forward. So okay, I have done play here. So and then I enter here into a put. I have explained why. Yes, because we broke through this area here. We have here an evening star. We got here a trend continuation sign. Yes, this candlestick broke through this area. We got a rejection from this level here, which I showed before that this would be support and resistance. Yes, and in this case, this candle would act here as resistance too. And if you and I have shown you this here on this level here was yes, that was the area, and you see price tried to goes up, was not able to get back because this area here is acting as resistance. Watch my support and resistance deep explanation videos and the related live trading example videos, yes, because there I have explained in so many videos already the support and resistance stuff, yes, and maybe I will finish those kind of series soon. So watch those things because they are important. That is the fundamental. So and you get at the end here, it was in the money, but now I'm not doing any call anymore. Any put anymore because that is also important to understand that if you get, for example, 2 of those hammers, yes, inverted bearish hammers, yes, you can expect that after the second one, price will retrace. That is important to know, yes. That will happen mostly, yes, and a lot of traders do not understand them. If they see 1, 2 of those kind of hammers, and they expect the trend will never end, yes, and that is the reason why I didn't have done any trade here, because I almost know this, that after the second inverted bearish hammer, yes, there could be mostly a retracement. And you see, price is retracing, yes. It was the first tentative to go up again, yes. And you see the candle is going weak again. So now we got here some kind of weak candle. It's a bearish weak candle because it's something like and I'm doing a call here, yes, because I understood from the previous candle that there are buyers which are trying to step into this trade, and because this is also some kind of support level here, you see how many wicks we have here, how often price reversed here. Here we got also a fake breakout of the support and resistance area. Let me show you this here again, yes. That's important to understand because I do not draw those lines, yes, I do only the trades, but it's important to understand that we have here this kind of area, yes, and that is nothing else than again a fake breakout, yes, of this area here. You see here a tweezer's bottom, yes, and a reversal. And you see here fake breakout, yes, that's what I have showed you. Watch my video about fake breakout. This is a morning star fake breakout of this support and resistance area, yes. And also this one, the tentative of the previous candle, where it goes above the closing price of the previous candle, was already the first sign that buyers will step in. That is what you have to understand by watching the previous candles, running previous candles. So, okay, that was this one. And I entered here into a call. I didn't have done this put here because of the second inverted bearish hammer at this key level. It was too risky to enter here at this level, yes, into a call because it was not clear. And that's the reason why I didn't enter into a call, and I didn't enter into a put too because we were too close to this level. So, and this candle now explained to me that this would be mostly only a retracement of this downtrend, also the price action on the left and the rejection. So, and now I'm waiting. You see, I'm waiting to get a better entry point. Yes, I'd want to do a call, but then I understood that price would go down further because of the retracement. And I show you this. This is what I got almost often. This question, how to distinguish a reversal from a retracement. And a retracement is almost a significant sign. For a retracement is this kind of wicks. Yes, if you get a weak candle like this, and then you get another candle which goes down, up, and shows such kind of wick which I have shown you here. That is almost a sign of a retracement, and that the downtrend will continue. Or if you are in an uptrend, that the uptrend will continue. Important to get the confirmation is that this running candle breaks through the opening price or the closing price of the previous candle. This is one of the most important things to understand. If this running candle has an upper shadow or a lower shadow, depending on the trend, yes. In a downtrend, it's an upper shadow. In the uptrend, it's a lower shadow, yes. And if you if you this has and you broke the opening price or the closing price of the previous candle, you can almost expect that the trend will continue and that the previous candle was only a retracement. And that is what I understood here after the price broke through this level here, this opening price of the previous candle, and then I waited till price got higher again to get a better entry point, because like I have explained so often, price tries mostly at the last few seconds of the expiration time to retrace back to the entry point, to the opening price. And also higher than your entry point, and then you get a last second out of the money, or last second out of the money, or maybe also at the money. Yes, at the money is the not so worst like the out of the money, but those kind of last second out of the money are also a problem, emotional problem. Yes, and yes, and here I'm explaining the trend continuation stuff, which I have explained under the candlestick chart analysis videos and the high probability trading setup, the deep explanation video. Okay, that was it already. If you like this video, do a like. If you didn't subscribe, subscribe to my channel. And if you have something to say, drop me a line in the comment section. So I would say stay safe and bye-bye. Don't forget to study those things which I have explained in the ebook. Watch the related videos, and don't storage only the PDF file on your hard disk. Read it, try to apply those things to your trading style, watch the related videos, and try to study those things. So, okay, bye-bye.